Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to use multiple time frames, how to analyze multiple time frames while using SMC method. Before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss the upcoming videos. You can check here, we are posting a lot of informative videos for all of you guys. You must watch every video so you guys can learn the forex from basic to advanced. Let's start our YouTube video. Before analyzing the market in any time frame, there is no specific time frame you need to follow. If you are a intraday trader, if you are a day trader, you can simply use the 1 hour time frame for your analyzing the market. But before choosing the time frame, you first of all you need to know the actual structure. What is the actual structure? What is the market behavior? If you are using 1 hour time frame, so you must need to know how market is moving in 1 hour time frame. You need to know the actual structure that market is following in the specific time frame that you have chosen for your trading style. It's all depends on you. If you are using the SMC method, that means you are following the institution footprints that you are finding for trade in the market. So I want to tell you that institutions are not following a specific time frames like 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 5 minute time frame, or a 4 hour time frame, or daily time frame. There is a lot of time frames, but there is no one specific time frame that you can say the institutions are following the 4 hour time frame or a daily time frame. The first and main topic is the finding the liquidity. The liquidity is exchanged in the forex market. There is two things possible. First, you can find the liquidity, and after grabbing the liquidity you can trade the forex market. The second is, if you don't know the what is the liquidity, then you will become the liquidity. I just want to tell you guys, the higher time frames are the father of the smaller time frames. Like the 4 hour time frame is the father of 3 hour time frame, it's also a father of 2 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, and so on. The higher time frames will order its smaller time frames how to react in the market or in future. Like 1 hour time frames are the father of is the father of 3 minute, 30 minute time frame, or 15 minute, or 5 minute, and so on. Like 1 hour time frame will order his sons how to react in next coming days or next coming minutes. Yeah, so let's begin the video now. How to analyze the market structure by using the time frame. Each one time frame will tell you about the 30 minutes and 15 minutes how they are reacting in next few hours. Like you are use if you are an intraday trader, you can use the 1 hour time frame as your uh, you can say your main time frame, or you can use the 1 hour structure like main structure, and you can find the actual structure in 15-minute time frame. So here is the Eurocad pair in front of you guys. We have just opened and analyzed the market and waiting for our area to trigger in. If you will find a confirmation in 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, we will trade it. So let's begin and analyze the market, how we are interested, why we are interested in that pair. Like if we start from the 4 hour time frame, we can start from any previous low. Here was our last low. Here was our last low. The low will be confirmed when our market will take the previous pullback liquidity. Here was the previous pullback. This high was our last pullback. When our market have taken the pullback liquidity, our low was confirmed here. Here was our low. When our market have break the previous high, that was our point of point the change of character. Here was our change of character. Like after the change of character, we need to find the swing high. Like this is our swing low. It's confirmed when our market have taken the previous IDM liquidity. Now we need to find the swing high. Here will be our swing high. This is our last swing high. This is our last high. The high will be confirmed when our market will take the IDM liquidity. Here was our last pullback. When our market have take the pullback liquidity, our high was confirmed here. Here was our high. This high now after now this is our trading range from this low to this high. This is our 1 hour trading range. Now we have to find our point of interest in these two time frames. In these you can say these will be our trading range, and you can find your POIs in these two points, trading range points. Now you can see here is our decisional order block. Here is our decisional OB. Here is our extreme POI. That market has just triggered. Here is our extreme POI. These both order blocks will be valid because these two are as order blocks we have just learned that there will be two order blocks, additional order block and a extreme order block. So you can say here will be the trend line liquidity that market have just cleared, and there was some imbalance as well. Here was the imbalance that market have cleared and just mitigated the POI here and break the previous high. So this will be our swing low. This will be our next swing low. After taking the swing low, market have now this will be our breakout of structure because market have not clearly closed above the our previous high. So that will be our last breakout of structure. Here will be our last breakout of structure, and this is our last high. It's a confirm high or not. This is not a confirm high because market did not have taken any last pullback liquidity here. So for analyzing the deeply, we will go to 1 hour time frame here. Here is our 1 hour time frame. You can see here. First of all, we need to find the last pullback. Here was our last pullback that market have not taken yet. So and market have clearly break the next high here. Sorry, the last pullback was here. The last pullback was here because market have just disturbed the previous candle low, so that will be our last pullback. When our market have take the pullback liquidity here, that will be our inducement. So whenever market have take the inducement, so our high will be confirmed here, our the next low will be here, and our next high will be here. Why we are marking the high here? Because here was our last pullback, this was our last pullback. When our market have taken the pullback liquidity here, we have our inducement here. After the inducement, our high will be confirmed and that breakout of structure will be valid. Here will be our breakout of structure. Now in 1 hour time frame, you can say, you can find your point of interest here. Here will be your first point of interest, the second point of interest will be here. This will be your decisional OV, this will be your extreme POI. You can check here. In this scenario, market did not have give any reaction in our decisional POI, and uh, it will be a single leg move, and it's just mitigated our extreme POI because there was some imbalance and trend line liquidity as well. Now in this scenario, market has just mitigated our decisional POI. After the mitigating the POI, market have quickly make a new swing low. After the swing low, market has just created a new swing high. Here will be our new swing high. Because why this is our swing high? Because here was the last pullback that market has just broken with the low and have given the new swing high. So that will be our clear breakout of structure. That breakout of structure will be valid because market have already taken the left side inducement liquidity. So here will be our swing low and this will be our swing high. Why this is our swing high? Let me show you if this is our swing high or not. No, this will be not our swing high in 1 hour time frame. Mm, this was our last idiom that market have not taken yet. Here was our idiom. So whenever market have closed above from the high, so this will be just a breakout, this will be not a valid breakout of structure. So that will be our idiom and our swing high will be here. This was our last high because market has just um, cleared the last idiom liquidity here. You can check. Here was the last pullback, the idiom is clearly taken and market has just make a new low. After making a new low, market have not close above from the last high, but it's clearly sweep from the high. But in smaller time frame, we can check the market have in 15 minutes you can say there is some closing candles above the last high, so that will be our breakout of structure here. Here was our breakout of structure. Our last low was here. Let me clear this one so I can re-explain the market structure in 15-minute time frame. So let me explain the 1 hour time frame first. You can see here the 1 hour time frame is still a bullish. Now here will be our last POI for 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is still bullish, but in 15-minute time frame we are seeing there is some kind of change of character. Why we are seeing the change of character here? Here was the last swing high, sorry, here was the last swing low. This will be last swing high, because why this is when the low will be confirmed, when our market have taken the IDM liquidity here. Here was the last pullback. When our market have taken the last pullback, so our low will be confirmed here. After taking the low, our high was here. High was confirmed when our market have taken the last pullback liquidity here. So after taking the liquidity, our bullish range was in 15-minute time frame from this low to this high. Here was our some bullish order blocks. Here was the order block. Here was our second order block. Here was our decision order block. Here was our extreme POI. The shadow was here, but market has just try to hold the extreme POI, but it's just broken from downside, so it will be our change of character. Here was our change of character in 15-minute time frame. Now you can see the 1 hour is still bullish, but the 15-minute time frame is converted its bullish trend into bearish trend. So that will be our lower low. That was our lower high, and this was our last higher high. When the lower high will be broken from the new low, so that will be our new low. The lower low will be confirmed when our market have taken the IDM liquidity here. Here was our IDM. So now I am seeing the last POI is here, the extreme POI is here, because there why we are mentioning that POI, because there is some kind of imbalance as well. Here you can see the imbalance. Here will be a inner breakout of structure. So now we have checked the 15-minute time frame is still bearish. The bearish time frame is here now, but we need to check what is the target of the bearish time frame, sorry, the bearish trend, as we just shared, because the 1 hour time frame was still bullish. The 1 hour time frame range was trading range was from this low to this high, sorry, from this low to this high. Here was the 1 hour time frame bearish range, bullish range. Here was the bullish range, 1 hour time frame. So our point of interest, our first target will be that high, sorry, our first point of interest will be this shadow. When our market, if we will give a proper response from our this point of interest, then our target will be the first POI, where market can again react for a bullish momentum. So we can take the trade. It's a live room that we are sharing a proper signal for our first target will be the here to our clients. Now you can see we are trading a live, we are analyzing a live market, so that will give some confidence to you can join our team as well. Here will be our point of interest. We can go to 15-minute time frame for showing the actual move. Here will be our, we can see the market reaction like that. That will be our extreme POI entry. Let me share the signal in our premium room as well. You can see here we have just shared the same signal in our premium channel. Here is the proper entry, the proper profit target as well, with the profit with the stop loss properly mentioned. It will be a 1 issue 7 hour trade with the 30 pips SL. So that will be our intraday trade. So let me explain how we can catch the entries from higher time frame to lower time frames. Here was the your first entry. Here was your first entry. Whenever market have just break the previous high, the low will be confirmed here. Your first entry will be here from this POI to this high, or you can mention the last unmitigated POI. Here was the last unmitigated POI, so you can set your profit target will be here, but you got stop loss because market did not have given any type of reaction from this POI, but your extreme POI successfully worked there. The same thing you can set your SL from the last low, below the last low, and the target will be the same. So that first entry will can give the opportunity for almost 200 to 80 pips. 8 pips, that will be your first entry. The second entry will be when you have find the breakout of structure here. The second breakout of structure, your second entry will be here, but market did not still return from our second POI. Market have just broken the next entry was here. Let me check. Here was the internal breakout. Sorry, internal OB was here. Here was the internal OB, and your profit target was that high. You can also set your limits from the extreme POI as well. Here was your extreme POI, and your target will be the same. So that entry will be almost 140 pips. Now we can see we have a breakout of structure here. After breakout of structure, we have set our limits for sell target, and our target will be the last unmitigated POIs like this one. The next will be the next will be here, the next will be here. So let me show you the Euro USD trade that we have take yesterday. Here was the Euro USD trade that we cash trade in 15-minute time frame, sorry, the 5-minute time frame. Here was the trade. We have just why we have take that trade. If we see the 15-minute time frame, in 15-minute time frame we can see here was our last the low was just sweep here. Here was our last idiom. Here was the last pullback that clearly have taken from the market and just break the previous high. So that will be our breakout of structure. After breakout of structure, market did not give us any confirmation here. You can see market have break the last high 3 times, but did not given any confirmation or closing above our last high. So whenever market have clearly closed above the previous high, so our last idiom will be the here will be our last idiom. Here was our last idiom. The last pullback is clearly taken from the S high. From whenever market have break the previous low, market the idiom is clearly taken from this. Our low was here, our high was sorry, our high was here. mm, Here was our high, and our last idiom was here. Whenever market have break the next high, the idiom is converted from here to here. Whenever market have take the idiom liquidity, our high will be confirmed here. That was our high, and that was our low. This was our swing low. Now this is our swing low. After breaking the last low, market have just taken the liquidity. Here was our last pullback when our market have taken the pullback liquidity, our lower low will be confirmed here. Here was our last lower low. After analyzing the 15-minute time frame, when we go to the 5-minute time frame, we have just checked that here is our extreme POI. There is no internal POI here. So the only extreme POI we have find here, there was some kind of imbalance as well. Here was the last pullback liquidity, and we have set limits, and the profit target was almost 70 plus pips. The last low was our, here was our last swing low. The low was our first target. The second target will be at, you can say the swing target will be here, because there is some kind of imbalance as well. Here can be the swing high, sorry, the swing target will be the here. Now we are again watching this trade from this shadow, because here was the swing low, sorry, the 15-minute low was here, the 15-minute high was here. When our market have clearly broken the 15-minute time frame, the swing low here was the clearly broken. The IDM is successfully taken from this high, because here was the last pullback. That market have just taken the pullback liquidity, so our low will be confirmed here. So here is our internal POI, sorry, this decision POI will be here, the extreme POI will be here. So we are interested from our extreme POI to take the trade from here, and our profit target will be the same. The swing profit target will be here. So that's the scenario of the time frames. How to use time frame? You can set the POI like the main structure. If you are a day trader, you can set the POI like that. After breaking, sorry, let me clear the with the IDM. So here will be your IDM. The last IDM was here. The breakout of what? The breakout of structure was here. You can see this is our, the whole is a 1 hour time frame structure. The whole is 1 hour time frame structure. The 1 hour time frame is here. You can see the, in 1 hour time frame your low was here, the high was here. After, if you see that kind of structure in 1 hour time frame or 30-minute time frame, you just need to follow the structure. Here will be your trading ring, like from this low to this high. This is our your 30-minute trading range. Yeah, or you can say your 1 hour time frame trading range, and the same thing is happening from this low to this high in 15-minute time frame. You can see here is our breakout of structure. Here was our last high, here was our last high, here was the IDM liquidity in 1 hour time frame, here was the last IDM liquidity in 15-minute time frame. The market have just broken the liquidity and have created a new high. Here is the our swing high in 1 hour time frame. The same thing is in 15-minute time frame. What you need to do, you need to do after finding the trading range in 1 hour time frame, you just need to go to 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. You need to follow the actual structure. You need to, first of all, you need to see the where is your swing, confirmed swing high. The high will be confirmed whenever market will take the IDM liquidity here. After taking the IDM liquidity, you need to find the some clearing of the fetch or imbalance here in that area, and you can trade from the extreme POI, and your target will be the last high. So that's the things you need to follow. The structure is so simple. Here's the Euro Japanese. Let me show you the, you can see here it's a so simple setup. You just need to find the things whatever you are doing and why you are doing. The whole time frames will be the same. The 1 hour time frame will be follow the rules that follow the rule, the same rules that following the 15-minute time frame. You can say the theory will be the same, only time frame will be the different. You can see if 4 hour will be the bullish, that he will order 1 hour time frame to be bullish. If the 1 hour is bullish, he will order the 30-minute, 15-minute or 5-minute time frame to be bullish. If the 1 hour is bullish and 15-minute time frame is bearish, like that, like this, the same trade that we are showing and or we have analyzed in our class, the same trade, if 1 hour is bullish or 15-minute is bearish, then you can say the 15-minute time frame is going to the 1 hour time frame POI. If we will see the our 1 hour time frame will be triggered first, then our 15-minute time frame, the the trade that we have taken against the trend, that will be invalid. So I hope this video will be very informative for all of you guys. Must subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share our YouTube video. You can join our mentorship program as well. If for joining the mentorship program, you can contact us on Telegram. Thank you. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.